wait for my dad to
They're
drive
probably
up
so
here then.
pissed that they can't tell you that you can't do it.
Sometimes they try to tell. As long as you don't interfere with their work. If you're interfering, then yes.
My dad would probably drive up here.
Be quiet. Like. I hope everybody's okay.
Why is that car over there?
That might be part of the accident.
I don't know what happened. The gate's up.
I don't know, Liz. Hold on.
Oh, the airbag's going there.
You can see it? Where I can't even see. Oh, that's the car, isn't it?
Yeah, but the gate's up.
Ooh.
So I don't understand. Must have flipped.
Sad. I just hope the person's okay. That's, oh, I don't know either, Lucy, how they got it over there. Unless they, I don't know.
Which side did they come from? Oh, wait.
Oh,
And then drive over there?
What, right here?
Yeah, is there any opening on the fence down there? Yeah, they entered right there, didn't they?
possible. Wow, how it wound up over here. Very possible, right here. No fence here. And it went over there. Now where's the other vehicle would hit?
I don't think it hit another one.
It got one of the shock trauma. It had to be something serious. It doesn't say I can't. It doesn't say I can't.
Oh, you know what happened? You grabbed it from the very first one. You ripped it back.
Hold on, here we go. I think that thing's getting ready to take off. Making that sound. Cops can't tell you to back off on these. Against the law, right? You have a right.
Well, don't get close.
No, well, I mean, not to interfere with their job, but you can you're allowed to, I'm watching this go up in the air. So cool. I hope they're okay, but this is that can't be. I don't,